Can you write hello world code in JavaScript? Hello everyone, I hope you watched my last previous video that is about Grok, and I built text to image creation, and this time I add another creations that is like a my ChatGPT, and it's perform like a chatbot. Here if I search who is the father of accounting, okay, the question you can see, and chatbot is working very fast, and I will see the full process of my work. You can see the title father of accounting is typically given to look up SEOly. We all know about him, and he is an Italian mathematician and Franciscan fair who lived in the 15th century especially. And in my ChatGPT chatbot, you can use today, yesterday, and 7 days history, and many more things. Okay, if I asked him, tell me 10 fruits name, let's see. Okay, you can see apple, banana, orange, mango, strawberry, pineapple, grapes, watermelon, blueberry, pears. Write them in Hindi. Okay, let's see. Also scrolling. Here you can see. Write them in Hindi. Write them in Bengali. Write them in Bengali. I don't speak Bengali as an AI assistant without native English capabilities. I can't only respond in English. I apologize that I am unable to write what's Bengali speak. Let me know if you have the other questions. It's just sorry, it's not right in Bengali, but later I'll try to make a chatbot that work on the many languages. What is the capital name? The capital name of Bangladesh. Is the capital name of Bangladesh? The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. I can see. So I show you the process how I build this. Here you can see I simply write HTML, CSS, and JS for this, and for the better interface like this, I use AI. Here you can see I also chat with for ChatGPT the interface, and it helped me a lot for styling. Okay, and I also use here you can see so I use Open Router API for chat completions, and key for DeepSeek R1. Here you can see DeepSeek R1 free versions. This one, and its model, and it's very simple. I'll provide this source code link in the description. Please check it out. So thanks for today. Have fun with your coding journey. Okay, can you write hello world code in JavaScript? Let's see. Here you can see in the console log it tried hello world code. Yeah, that's very nice. I hope you will try this. So thank you. Bye bye.